Hello guys, welcome back to new video. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can draw king crown. So if you are interested in drawing king crown, this video might be very useful for you. So if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for further more content. So first of all you have to draw king crown. So first of all you have to draw this line, single line, and above this line you have to draw one again line, and after that connect the both line. And after that with pencil I am drawing. If you want to use any pen or sketch pen you can use, and if you want to color it then also color it. So first of all just I have tell you have to draw first line, then after you have to like draw cone line, like you have to draw cone. You have seen cone shape that you have to draw and joined by scale, and you can also use any other material. But if I say like ice cream cone shape you have to draw, then as you are seeing in video that I have drawn this concept. After that join the both the side, join the end of the both the line like curve line, like you are seeing in video that I have curved it. Same procedure also you have to do, same step you should have to follow. Just draw this curve line and both the side and join this line. So once my line is completed I will go ahead. So now you can draw one circle above it, like you are seeing in video, one circle above it, and you can put it with pencil or black pen, sketch pen you can use. This will be more beautiful. And after that you have to draw a star between these line. And after drawing a star you can use pen, sketch pen, but I will be dark with pencil only. So you can, if you are using pencil then you can also dark with pencil only. If you want you can also dark the circle, and I am also darkening the circle. So if you want you can also do it. Now you see that just it is completed and just few steps are left, and it is now almost completed. You just have to color it, like you are seeing in I have drawn one another circle. So same procedure you have to follow, and you can also draw this circle, and then it seems completed. Almost every step is completed. Now next step just need to color it. So if you have a sketch pen you can use it, and black pen will be very useful. And I am using just with pencil darken this, and after that, so now every step is completed, it seems completed. And now the next step is just you have to color with pencil. I am just coloring with pencil. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt regarding this you can comment down below, and if you have any other question also you can comment down below. And you can use pencil also to darken. I am just doing with pencil also, and simultaneously you can draw by watching this